Trading is hard. So I've been trading now for 4 years now, and the first year lost a lot of money. As you do, it's kind of the tuition, kind of learning around kind of the technical analysis side of things, how to link fundamentals with it, the swing trading, etc. And then the second year was a bit better. I did lose money, but not much. But obviously the kind of strategies come in place. You've got the kind of back testing, etc. You settle on a strategy, you kind of tweak it a little bit. And then the third year, I was actually profitable, which is pretty good, albeit slightly, of course. But it was a good year, and that was a couple of years ago. And obviously last year I was very profitable, which is very, very nice. Which is why I've started up, different ventures and kind of ramped up my X channel a little bit, and kind of given my thoughts and feelings on the market. And of course, I'm not always right. And I will continue to never always be right, of course, because no one is always right within the stock market. It does whatever it wants to do. It's basically emotions. All the price action you see is just people's emotions. You see a really green day, it's just people getting really excited. You see in a really kind of red period, it's just people getting pretty sad. They want to panic sell, they want to move on to the next investment in a couple of months' time, they want to forget about the market in general, and then that's just the market emotion. That is the candles which you see on the screen is just emotion. So I guess where I'm going with this video is trading. Yes, it's been hard, and I'm still doing it, so I'm not going to start leaving trading anytime soon. But if you're going through a rough period, which I've done many times, along with content, trading itself, of course, it's just life. It gets in the way. Things happen with family, friends, etc. That's just kind of what you have to kind of deal with as you go through life as a trader, or anything really. But what I would say to traders out there who are watching this video now is just keep going. Even if you run out of money, just set aside, with the money tips you can have a look at all across the internet, all across YouTube. Set aside some money, build it up on the side, and then go in again. Just keep trying, keep testing those strategies, keep working on yourself. Don't do the same thing. Keep building, accelerating your trading journey, and you will become bigger, better trader basically, and a person as well. I mean, trading does a lot for your self-esteem, your self-confidence, etc., because it really does challenge you. If you're a day trader on a day-to-day basis, but if you're a swing trader, it challenges you weekly. And even if you're a long-term investor, you see those drawdowns in Tesla, for example, 50%, 60%. It hits you hard, of course it does. It's human emotions, as we mentioned earlier in this video. But yeah, my overall message in this video is, I kind of rambled a little bit because I kind of want to keep it quite raw. Just keep going. I'm in my 4th year now. I'm seeing pretty good returns. I'm seeing pretty good success rate. And of course, that's just testament to kind of the experience that we've had. And I keep saying it before to other people that experience really is anything in life, to be fair, but especially in trading. The more you get on the screen, the more you use those lines, the more you see those patterns, and the more those trades come to you rather than you go into those trades. So you'll see it on the screen. Certain lines kind of come together. They give that confluence, which again is another big word on my channel. So they give you that confidence, and that's when you execute the trades. You have the confidence to do so because you've done it so many times. So with that kind of weird nugget of information in the last few minutes, I'll leave a video on the screen so you can kind of go on to the next trading video on the channel. And yeah, all the best. Trade safe. Make sure you have that risk management alongside yourselves, because you don't want to lose the accounts. We spoke about that a little bit earlier, but the worst thing you could do is keep blowing up accounts, because that doesn't change. You're not changing anything. You need to build and grow, and obviously I'm just rambling now. So see you in the next video.